Fellow Ambazonians, today na number 25 day for May. I want just can't talk this thing for you. Say me any person just put up for your head. Because we're not going to spend time again for the camp for the same thing. We there for war. And war today. When two people ready fight, they need to say some strong person if you can't separate them. Without the fight with the Republic. And now we say without the worker inside the whole world, for the 5 person where if you can help for separate we. Now why that will be the match to go all over. Now why that will follow will make self-defense and will also make diplomacy. So I want to talk today, which way we don't get them. I will talk about the Swiss talk and then I talk about way people that they be against the Swiss talk. Some people that they say they be against the Swiss talk. So may you listen and very well, so that when you finish, you will make the judgment and you will understand them. They say, your bird where you get them for your hand, your mushroom where you get them for your hand, it be better pass gold where it's still there for forest where you never even get them. So where you get them for your hand, it be a better a pass where you never get them. So me I explain something for you. Everybody don't already be aware about what we call and say the Swiss talks. Yes. Switzerland, before they want give that opportunity for Switzerland, say me a go with the Swiss talks. Now because they see how way Switzerland it be too neutral. It not get colonies, it not get nothing, it be neutral inside world politics. It not even get military people. Yes. Now because they see say the way Switzerland it be. Now country with no international country, no country for this world. If you worry, every plenty people them all over the world, they must get ties them with Switzerland. Yes. I want to hear some people already talk say how Switzerland is being neutral. Because people in Switzerland they give money like for La Republic, they give money for different people. Me I tell Ambazonia people, say even how well La Republic a day for we land, they conduct business for day. Every evening when they sell money for southern zone, it go for littoral. They sell for northern zone, it go for Bafusam. And it will continue so until the last day where the Republic will come up for a place. So Switzerland, whether now wait to get them or now will go get them, a get the business with La Republic equally as a get with all countries them. In fact, some country not there for inside this world when a big country where it not get business with La Republic. So now which country where you go check say it not go get business with La Republic? Because even we, Ambazonia, we still get business with La Republic. So now they think that if you ask them say, how will Switzerland give money for La Republic for fight coronavirus? It means say they support La Republic. It means say we not get independence. They not give you independence. I will ask you say, how will Ambazonia they still get houses for French Cameroon and business for French Cameroon? You are also talk say me say we not go get independence. If you answer that question, we go. Yes, Switzerland don't give money for La Republic. Germany the gam, Britain the gam, America too a gam. So which country where you go see them where you not going to do business with La Republic? They go continue do their business with La Republic until the last day. Now so a day. But if Switzerland it will be friendly, if it gets some hidden game where it want to do with La Republic, how you for know? The way you for know now say, before Ambazonia people, they for one go to pay plane for airport, say they want go for Switzerland. La Republic again aeroplane. They for not take that aeroplane, they don't run enter for Switzerland. They don't enter for Switzerland. They for not be for table. The fact say they never come for table, now because they never be sure say Switzerland it will support them. So now the two where they want to talk they that. Okay, now the Swiss talk now talk with all the major powers the way they did inside this world, they don't endorse them. France don't endorse the Swiss talk? Yes. Germany endorse them? Yes. How you do not say they endorse them? Now because Germany and France, they be the two major powers them inside European Union. And when European Union endorse something, it means say now France and Germany they don't endorse them. So now that one I get for no. Canada too, it don't endorse them. Holland too, it endorse them. Netherlands endorse them. Belgium endorse them. America says it endorse them. And that Swiss talk, now talk where they don't go talk for Security Council for United Nations. For people who they talk say we want total recognition from them. And they don't talk, we talk for day. Oh man, it don't see them. We don't hear even American ambassador. He don't talk. We come up for inside CRTV. He talk. American general, he talk, say Ambazonia, them, they want to create their own country where they call and say Ambazonia. Yes. And America, they talk, say, me will go for Swiss talks. Therefore, the Swiss talk, na talk where it be internationally known. The Swiss talk, it handle with case, like say, an international issue. Because it receive we for the for inclusive dialogue without preconditions. We go for Swiss talk like Ambazonians, with government, with flag, with the national anthem, with emblems them, and La Republique, it will come we on them too. Now why that they call and say dialogue without preconditions, where they go for day. So if you hear some people that they stand for outside here, they talk against the Swiss talks. They do something that say not fine, they do other kind of thing. They target now say they talks and they day up. Switzerland never deny say no feel hold no talks. La Republique says that never deny say this so you know say Swiss talk they go on or never deny say no go for Swiss talk. So when we hear with brother them and sister they talk say no Swiss talk not fine or now the other talk is fine. Now because they the one make them me international community if you look and say with the argue. Or me they talk say okay Switzerland talk say no still did it. Or me they come argue so that me we say we can't talk say no we not there for that talk we don't want to go with Switzerland again we withdraw. Me when I know something when white man don't talk say it wants separate fight where you and some person they fight. If you deny say you know want me they leave the fight me they separate the fight it will leave when I say when I want fight when I kill when I say that one not get problem with you. And a name will be for inside bad record because for black white man I say you get for submit yourself, then you go defend yourself. If they give you convocation, say me you come, you deny for go. Now you get a bad name. So now the thing that way that brother them they play inside that playbook. Until they begin to tell we say, oh Swiss talk not fine. Make they open their mouth, they tell when some one reason or two reasons where they see and say they all look at they say the Swiss talk not fine. Or if it not be fine, it not fine pass which one? Which one they be offer bring them? No, nothing. I hear they talk say they find a country where it be neutral. Me they tell me a country where they inside this world where it be neutral, where it not get friendly ties them, it not get diplomatic ties with the other countries them. Now they think that now when you want to talk say this so you want to know if it be genuine. You want to say me na multilateral country then they can't go for day. Yet that one, it means you run from the discussion. Why? Because they don't talk that they want an inclusive dialogue without preconditions. When you can't talk say it must be multilateral, say two or more countries must be there, and it must be so, it must be so. It means you already give conditions. Yes. So now the thing that so we get for go for Switzerland, we know to go for go sign some paper. We go if you find. Good. If you're not fine, we get for work and I will stage, I will talk something. So when we hear people like Konegi Group and about AGC, they go to talk say they never been ready for the talks. Me I ask and say for 30 years, how many more years you will need that before you will be ready? They don't kill people 16,000 and above. How many people you want to say me they kill them before you be ready? 100,000, 200,000? Or now because that die and never can reach for our own compound. We get refugees them, thousands them. We get internally displaced thousands them. They don't burn villages them, burn people, their businesses them. How many villages them? How many businesses them? How many refugees the way you want and say me they be before you go talk say you be ready for talk? And how many more years you need them? You need 58 more years or 200 years like Monsieur Momo talk. That means say you did for one Cameroon. Yes. We understand how we are sister be first can talk see. It will help for flush pop. It want move for beer for cheer. It talks to me Bamileke people and they come. So therefore, it means they did it now with Bamileke people. Now they can't did that. And now why that one of the year they did against lockdown, against ghost town, against say me this boycott 20 May. Okay, now you hear someone they go talk and say the one that now US led talks, US and German led talks. Me they explain for me where's be the difference between the US German led talks from the Swiss talks. Me they explain for me. Because one, they don't put America, say US led talks. Two, America, your position, now say, then for one Cameroon. America don't always stand up for one Cameroon, for federation. Now, why did they draft resolution 358? They draft resolution 292, where it call for federation. So, if one of the one say now America led talks, it means say when I don't accept for go now for federation or for one Cameroon like America believe for a position. But America don't endorse Swiss talks. It say me when I go for Swiss talks. Maybe you know say Germany endorse them too. For according to how a European word they work, white man word they work. When one man runs start for do something, the other man know they go enter for inside. Now why that way? They because you know for 1884 they divide Africa. They say they not fit the fight on top. If you don't first for you, no man no will come for the America. We know we get colony. They live against South America for America. So me just take them. So now America no fit go again go start a different talk and Germany where the Swiss talk is still there. Yes, because nobody not so white man world in the work. And it's sorry say people that say they been a doctors but they don't understand how this thing and the worker. When I don't go bring Cohen and an American, and Cohen no first can talk. The very position where American government don't talk. Say we not be viable for get independence. Say we never do a federation. It say we will not check say when we get independence, we will get the oil. We check say when we get independent, we'll get oil. Say with the oil, it not belong to we. Now, why that when America withdraw the resolution 358 and 292 for federation, it will be welcomed by the BAS and it will be welcomed by Kunigi Group with the Ayeba and all the rest. Now, why that way they be endorse La République National Dialogue? Now, why that way they don't already submit to the federation? For the federation, for one Cameroon way they be not talk. Equally like how we come to be talk. When I be see how we come to be say, enough we receive we when we wear ambassador uniform, flags and anthem. So now these Kuningi people and the Ayeva, they don't already submit for the federation for one Cameroon. Now why that they don't talk, say they deny them the issue of Ambazonian government. They want form now a common group, a common platform. Now why that way they against them who boycott 20 May. Now why that you see like Yerima and the rest, they know they use anthem, they don't use the flag, everything again. Yes. So brothers and sisters, when we did suffer, say me the finish war, paper I can't talk say this so they never be ready. And according to them, they align them now people where they did for one Cameroon. It therefore means they don't go the other side. But who they decide for Ambazonia? How can a bunch of people they go shoot down for ground? They say they take 6 hours, decide say they don't want to negotiate them. Say me they continue the fight war. When I shoot down for diaspora, when I don't want to end war. So that means they still go to kill people for ground zero because all they want for diaspora. But we want up anything if we end the war. Now why that would contribute money for the draft? Now why that would enforce self-defense and would push legal action and with the push for the Swiss talk? So that means they end this thing with people and they be free. But me, they know, say no group of people, individuals them, they will go down because of their selfish interests. Because of their hidden games where they don't do one for background, they check say they feel negotiate, they feel dictate on Ambazonia. The fate of Ambazonia shall be decided by the Ambazonian people. And why that way they be too committed for contribute money for draft themselves for operate in counties. We know why operate now under warlords, under dictators and some other kind of people. Now why that way every person be obliged now for local AGA and the county, you go draft yourself. So that may we make sure say me ground zero is hot. May we make sure say this will make diplomacy is worker. May we continue with lockdown. We continue with ghost town. We continue with no schools. Everything is so until La République come. It be very, very disappointing. Say La République they crawl down. They be unable for even pay their civil servants them. Yet, now only with own brothers and now they instead the Hello La Republic for make and say me run away for the trap. We will not go trapping for Switzerland. La Republic no be no say we will go for Switzerland. But now we don't already go for Switzerland. We did it for Team Act, Ambazonia Coalition Team. Any person where he want and where he believe Ambazonia, me come for day. Brothers and sisters, may wanna not be fooled by people where the joker use the name say Ambazonia. When I check say they fight for independence. May wanna look their action. When they deny for call when I say Ambazonia, they call when I say Northwest, Southwest. When they deny say me, they not end war. They say me, they still kill more people. When they deny say me, they not go now for independence. Me, they go now for one Cameroon way, America. They already talk for that. I can talk them. When they work at the talk say they fight now us instead of fighting La Republic. Me gonna know say these people them they did now for La Republic agenda. Now why that way we don't restore independence of 1st of October 2017? With institutions, with government, with everything, where Ambazonia nation will be with them. We not fit move any inch of any of those things. Those people where the roster they leave, they move their thing them. No government, no emblem, nothing they put up for them. May wanna know say they don't already be for A3. May wanna open wanna eyes them because the day where when I want open when I close wanna eyes them before when I want open them when I would already make like 72 hours for A3. So may we follow interim government. We drive ourselves, we fund self-defense for ground. Me fight them for ground. Me no man, no fool. Me wanna not listen to TWD people and they call and say, what are my country people and the rest? Now very weak people. I have to talk say now weak people. My country people are now very weak people because they be unable for even show your face. Man, when a man picky where he talks say he get power, you know when he talk the height like my country people them. Man, where he talk say he be now my country people them. They call themselves say they be peace ambassadors. Me when I tell them, say me they know how to use the term in the proper way. When you want to say you be peace ambassador, it means that you want to restore peace between two people who they fight. Two people not really fight, you instead go the carry now one, you go the key now the other people, take now collapse the court, the other people in there for kill them because you say you want to restore peace. It means you get a double standard, with double standard agent, you get different assignment. May when I not begin yet leader them these people, the woman where they back and make audio, say me when I not contribute money for fund ground zero for do this to them. Now because they want say me the war prolong begin to go. Any person where it be a good person where it want liberate Ambazonia, you know go out for the criticize say me people not give money for this place. Can't tell people where you feel do. Tell people how you feel free Ambazonia and they will give you the money too. The reason why they not give you the money now because they not trust you. Now because you know if you can be answerable for give accountability for people their money. Now they can't think the way they did that. Yes. Me some people are not come. They can't talk say this or me will forgive, will go back. We never commit a crime to La Republic. Yes. Now La Republic commit crime on top we. They can't declare war on top we. Now the sister get for come for the talk say they be sorry. Yes. But however, even if they say they be sorry, we don't already go. We don't need anything like reconstruction for La Republic. We want to me the first carry their military, their administration. They get out of Southern Cameroons. Any other thing, it will come later on. Me they not come fool when I say they reconstruct now. Me they not fool when I say me when I drop on a weapons and down go for DDR centers them. Yes, people where they take when I go for day now for go sell now for day. Me when I ask them say. That way them settle the day. Me the first can't go shit for those centers them. We'll be start war. Me they tell the people that me they withdraw. Any man a peace ambassador. Me first can't stand for outside they show your face. It tell La Republic say I command you today say me withdraw your troops for Ambazonia. Now the only way that way peace if you can start. At town a plenty. Now me you and I don't talk today.